From now we are looking at algebra. It is a branch of mathematics where basically letters are used, and I used either to represent or generalize the results. So letters from means from the language like English, Greek. So this is a branch of mathematics where basically letters are used to generalize the results. So it's just a one aspect of algebra. I just told you the one aspect of algebra. As we go ahead, we will see what it means. So let's take an example. Let's say 7, we take number 7 and multiply it by 0. It becomes 0. As we know, any number multiplied by 0 gives us 0. So what rule comes up as? Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. And now here we can write this statement, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, using letter, let's say x. So x into 0 gives you 0, where x represents any number. Okay, so we generalize this rule and put into formula like thing, where we can say x into 0 is equal to x, means we can add any value or number into at the place of x. That's why we put the condition where x represents any number. Let's take one more example. Let's take more examples. We have also seen that 1 into any number like 5 gives us 5. 1 into any number like 9 gives us 9. So here what the general rule is, any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the same number. So that's the general rule, and or that's the outcome or observation over here. And this statement can be abbreviated by using letter A. How? 1 into A gives you A, where A represents any number. So we have generalized the rule using symbol. Likewise, let's take one more example, perimeter of a square. As we know, perimeter of square is equal to the sum of its all sides. So let's take one example, side length of a square with side length of 3 units, and square has 4 sides. So we need to add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 12, or this can be also written into the form of multiplication as 4 sides each 3, that is 4 into 3 as 12. So if we take length of 5 units of a square, its perimeter will be 4 into 5, 20 units. Here 12 is units. Likewise, let's say length is 15 units of a side of a square, then 4 into 15 gives you 60 units. So as we can observe over here, we can trace out the formula as perimeter equals to 4 into length of the side. In case of square, it's length of the side of the square. And if we represent perimeter as P and length of the side as S, we can write this as P equals to 4 into S. So this becomes the formula, and this is true for all possible values of the length of side of square. So what basically we have done here is we use letters over in the above examples, letters to represent numbers, and based on that it helped us to gives us formulae or generalize the results. So like P is equal to 4 into S, where that is perimeter is equal to 4 into length of side, then x into 0 is equal to 0, 1 into a is equal to a, and all here P, S, X, A, these letters or actually represents numbers. So we formulated this a pattern or observation into a form where we can use it repetitively, and this becomes the formula. So in a way we generalize the results, and for that we use the letters. And so these letters used to represent numbers, represent or replace numbers are called literals or number literals.